we're looking at a piece that doesn't just tell time, it demands it. We're diving deep into the TechnoMarine Sea Grace. We're talking 45mm of pure, unadulterated rose gold presence. It's heavy, it's shiny, and it's got a personality bigger than the yacht you'll want to wear it on. Let's be honest, some watches are designed to hide under a suit sleeve. This is not one of those watches. Before we get into the specs, we have to talk about where this DNA comes from. TechnoMarine burst onto the scene in 1997 in Saint-Tropez. Back then, they did something insane. They put diamonds on a plastic diving watch. The watch world gasped, but the jet setters loved it. TechnoMarine became the brand for people who don't take luxury too seriously. They blended the cool of a rugged diver with the glam of high-end jewellery. The Sea Grace collection carries that torch. It's designed for the leisure diver, someone who appreciates water resistance, but is more likely to be found sipping a cocktail poolside than exploring a shipwreck. Now, let's take a closer look at the TM 725007. If you're looking for a subtle watch, this might not be the one for you. The case is a substantial 45mm and crafted from rose gold toned stainless steel. It exudes a solid and substantial feel with excellent finishing. It's large enough to be spotted from the back of the Lord's Cricket Pavilion, yet refined enough to impress even the most discerning headwaiter. The dial features a stunning rose gold tone with a chronograph and 3 sub-dials, perfect for timing your escape from a dull cocktail party. A superb 120-click unidirectional bezel provides a satisfying action and precise alignment. These specifications make the TechnoMarine Sea Grace a unique and stylish timepiece. Even the lume catches the eye. The watch features a Hattori caliber VD57 quartz, a Japanese-made movement renowned for its reliability. The sleek black silicon strap is soft and flexible, making it unlikely to be damaged if you accidentally fall off a yacht into the Mediterranean. Water resistance is rated for 100 meters, allowing for swimming confidence. However, I recommend using it for poolside posing with a gin and tonic. The striking contrast between the black bezel and the rose gold case creates a truly electrifying look. The watch exudes effortless style, suggesting impeccable taste. Who is this for? At 45mm, it has a serious stance. But if you love that oversized look that brands like Hublot or Breitling popularized, the Sea Grace gives you that high-end aesthetic without the 5-figure price tag. It's a conversation starter. People will notice this on your wrist from across the room. It's fun, it's flashy, and it feels surprisingly robust for a fashion-forward timepiece. The TechnoMarine Sea Grace is a reminder that watches should be fun. It's a slice of Saint-Tropez sunshine you can wear every day. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this look at a modern classic, and subscribe for more deep dives in the world of horology. Tally-ho!